Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I will show you how to enable natural light eye protection on this laptop. So first of all, turn on the secondary functions of your function keys by pressing Fn button that is located next to your Windows button. Once the secondary functions are enabled, you will see the light glowing in the top right corner of the Fn key, and once you do that, press F11 key to open the side menu, and here in the control center you have to select display and eye comfort, and then to enable natural light eye protection you can switch this toggle to the right, and you can also enable eye comfort here, which is basically the night mode or the blue light protection. You can move the slider to make the eye comfort mode either more intense or less intense. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.